Ajay Devgan is a friend of mine, and we know each other since we were children. And I would always tell him, Ajay, when's my movie? And he would say, I'll give you a movie that deserves Bindu. And he really did that. Last Diwali, I think it was, when he said, you're doing a movie for me. And he made me do this Son of Sardar. And now I realize it's the best movie that he's ever given me, I could have ever got. And after this movie, I'm sure that people will write roles and they'll say, okay, this is for Bindu. Such a lovely role he's given me. Unbelievable. The movie is a mix. It's a mix of emotions, action, comedy, romance, tears, everything. The works in a packet of 2 hours and 10 minutes. That's what you get on Diwali. I don't think there could be a better bomb on Diwali than Son of Sardar. So please do enjoy it. And I'm playing, we're two brothers, Tony and Tito. And our elder brother is Bilupaji, who is Sanju. And our younger sister, Sonakshi, who is Preet. So you can imagine if we even remember all the names, it's like such a lovely script, such a lovely movie. Ajay Devgan is Jassi Randhawa while we are the Sandhus. And it's unbelievable. And when you see the movie, you realize that how confident we were and how happy we were to release this movie on Diwali as a gift for everybody. So just leave your worries at home, go enjoy Son of Sardar. See, Sanju is also a friend of mine from many, many years and from before he was an actor. And all these are friends of mine before they were actors, Hrithik and all of them. I haven't worked with Hrithik. So Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, they're all from childhood. Now, when you work with people who you know from childhood and you've never worked with them while you're in the industry and they're in the industry for so long, when you gel and get along, that's when the fireworks and fun happen. So during this shooting, me and Sanju, we gelled a lot. Ajay was working too hard. But we were all having a lot of fun and a lot of blasts, and Sanju and me would like to go out and go to our friend Rajiv in his house. We'd have a drink, and Ajay would be worried, "Oh, subah shooting time pe aa jana, be there," and we would. And whenever the scene would come, I remember we would read the scene, and we'd start laughing, and we couldn't stop laughing because the scenes were so funny. Juhi Chawla in this movie is just amazing. Sonakshi is one of the best and most talented actresses that we have. So the star cast, the ensemble is just fantastic. And Ajay has really put his heart and soul. And that's why I'm just waiting for the 13th of November. Bas. You see Tanuja ji now. Tanuja ji is a fabulous actress. Everybody knows that. And this movie has just 5-6 of us mostly, throughout the movie. And it was so wonderful, like they're all spontaneous actors. And we also, TV people, are always spontaneous actors. So it's so much fun. There's no rehearsals, too much of rehearsals going on, nothing like that. And the fun, and it was like a Punjabi home unit. Every day after the shooting, we'd all sit down together, we'd start joking around, having a drink, enjoying, talking, hugging each other. So it was amazing. That shooting, we don't even know when the 50 days passed in Punjab. We'd eat sarson ka saag and makki ki roti because that would be every day. Then we were shooting in a place called Bagadia, and the royal family from there became our friends. They would every day invite us for lunch, and they would cook 20 things. So Ajay would not come much with us, but Sanju, me, we end up in their house, and we all put on weight. And now Sanju's become very fit, and I'm also trying to become fit. But really, that was a different kind of ball game, and really we felt like we are all sons of Sardar, which we actually are. And this movie has nothing to do with any religion, or it's not teaching you anything about Sikh religion, nothing like that. It could have been son of Gujarat, son of Punjab, son of Ahmedabad, son of Haryana, son of Bhaiya, whatever. It would have been a super hit, but Sardars, they are a little larger than life, and their enmity is also such that they don't let go for many generations. So this is what this story preaches, and it in the end teaches that love is stronger than all the hate in the world. Well, you see, except for him not doing his usual pranks, the rest was exactly same like he'd do for any other movie. The movie was made on a huge budget. I think sometimes there were 600 people on the sets. So you can imagine 600 people, the food is being cooked at one go. He didn't leave any stones unturned for that movie. And you will see the result of that movie when it releases, that Ajay has really given it his all. And the movie... Sanju would say that Bindu, Ajay जितने लोगों के set पे टांग खींचता है, हम लोग उतनी यहाँ नहीं खींच रहा है, because he's so concentrated on the movie and he really wanted to have make the best movie of his life, and I think he's succeeded. many things happened on that set. There was one day when we were all eating food. Ajay came up and said, "I've made the best gajar ka halwa in the world for everybody." And he fed Sonakshi once, and Sonakshi just took it, and we didn't notice her. And then he started putting it in everybody's mouth. And dun, 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 spoons are going into our mouth. And when it went in, I realized it's the most awful chili that is feeding everybody. We threw it out, but Sonakshi ate the whole thing. Then she told him it doesn't bother her. And then he started making her eat green chilies. And I remember she ate many green chilies also. It was pretty crazy. Lots of things we would do. Sanju had his staff. And one of them is like very close to him. And they would keep getting him ready every day in a Sardar's different getup for a shooting scene and give him the worst, most dangerous hard dialogues. And after pack up, in between lunchtime, he would be practicing them and we'd all be having a blast. So something or the other was always happening there, along with the lassi, doodh, chach and life bekar, bina son of Sardar.